The architect Jackson Hallett lived to create interesting experiences in space, and his design for the James West family is an exquisite example of this philosophy. As soon as you enter from the carport area, you briefly experience a compressed space, which is a useful design feature from this architectural era and creates a design to move you through the space. Once you step through the oversized wood door, you catch a glimpse of the vaulted ceilings, and immediately the compression feeling reverses and you're drawn into the home. The natural materials blend the home into its setting and carry from the exterior of the structure right into the interior. All four seasons can be enjoyed and truly experienced on a daily basis through walls of windows in each living space. A beautifully placed brick fireplace visually anchors the living and dining areas and provides each with its own crackling warmth on a snowy day like today. Another characteristic of Hallett's architectural styling are large overhangs that surround the home and extend the roofline. These overhangs are configured to optimize solar heat retention, natural ventilation from frequent breezes, and the whole structure is carefully placed on its site to maximize seasonal shading. The four bedrooms share a view of the backyard through wall-to-wall windows. Built-in closets and banks of storage add both warmth and practicality, a trademark characteristic of mid-century modernism. This home allows for easy access to the multiple outdoor dining and lounging areas, as well as space for outdoor activities. While you can't see it under the fresh snow, there is a lovely new stone pathway encircling the house, and the yard has beautifully designed landscaping which accentuates the home's design. Jackson Hallett's extensive architectural career created a lasting legacy of exceptional design and left the Midland area with a Hallett-style imprint for many generations to come. The James West residence is a perfect example of that.